NEET 2025 results are finally out, the day that every student was eagerly waiting for. Despite the exam being a little difficult, many of the students had a big hope. Now, last year cutoff score was really high. The students were eager to understand on what would be this year's cutoff. So here it is. For general category in 2025, the cutoff is 144, and for the reservation category, the cutoff is 113, which means any student who scored above 113 or 144 are eligible to take MBBS admissions. Now, last year the number of students who appeared for the NEET exam were somewhere around 24 lakhs, and this year it is somewhere around 22 lakh 70,000. Now, out of this 22 lakh 70,000 students, 22 lakh students appeared for the exam, and the total number of students who qualified the exam is somewhere around 12 lakhs. Now, all these 12 lakh students are eagerly waiting for a medical seat in India. But unfortunately, in India, the number of seats are still the same. There is no increment, or there is no huge increment in the number of seats in India that can cater to all the students' needs and the requirement. If we talk about the seats, totally we have 1 lakh seats, and out of this 1 lakh, let's consider 50% seats are meant for the government and remaining seats are meant for the private. Now, if we talk about the scores, students generally think that if they score around 400, they will still prefer to wait for the counseling because there are chances that they would get the government seat. Now, I have stats in front of me, and based on the statistics which I got from the official website of NEET, the stats is very clear. Now, any student who scores above 500, they are in the ranking of 50,000. Students who are scoring above 450, they are in the rank of 1 lakh. Students who scored less than 450, their ranks, like let's consider students who scored from 113 to 450, they will fall under the ranking below 2 lakhs. Now, for you to understand, India has only 1 lakh seat, and students who score, who have the ranking within 50,000, the chances for them to get government seat is really high. And for the student whose score is even like 400, 450, and let's say if there's the student whose ranking is somewhere around 70,000 or 80,000, getting a government seat is also challenging for them. Reason? Very simple, not good number of government seat in India. It's just 50%. Now, if you are not getting a government seat, then you have to consider private. And we all know what is the cost of private seat in India. So students, all of you should understand that if your score is somewhere around 300 or 350 or let's say even 400, please focus on what is your rank. Because if your ranking is beyond 2 lakhs or beyond 1 lakh 50, then the chances of getting a government seat here is way too difficult. Because even for the student who has 1 lakh as their rank, government seat is definitely difficult because we don't have enough seats. Which is why there's another option which many students have actually already started considering. And I'll tell you, even way before the NEET results were announced, we have enrolled good number of students for the MBBS admission in abroad in different countries. Now, these were those students who were confident that they will qualify the NEET exam, and they were also expecting somewhere around 300, 350, but they know the challenge of the NEET and the medical seats here in India and the cost of private seats, which is why they were sure that they'll go abroad. Now, this abroad is actually like a savior to those students who don't want to give up on their dream of becoming a MBBS doctor. If a student is not able to get into a government college, what I have seen is some of the parents, they insist on taking a drop and prepare for the NEET exam. Now, preparing for the NEET exam is definitely not wrong, but we also need to understand the challenges that's pushing the students into a different level of stress and the distress. Last year also there were so many students who were preparing for this exam. The number of students are increasing every year, but seats are still the same. The challenge is increasing, the difficulty level of the NEET exam is increasing, but the one thing that is always same, that is the seats and the stress, the distress, the depression, and a lot of anxiety in students, that's of course increasing every year. Now, Students have to consider their personal health and also their interests. Now, there are a lot of colleges and universities in different countries where students have started taking admission. Now, these are the universities which are actually listed in WHO, which means after the students' graduation from that college, they are eligible to go anywhere in the European countries or any other country that they wish to go for. Even they can come back to India. Now, these are the colleges which are providing very good education. There are so many Indian students who are already studying there, plus the cost is also way too affordable. Now, what more do you need? Any student who is NEET eligible, they don't even have to score 400 or 500. If they're NEET eligible, they can take MBBS admission at a very affordable cost and come back to India with a very good and a proper degree. It's all up to them and it's all your call. If you want to stay in India, take a drop or change your course, or just hold on to your dream of becoming a MBBS doctor, go to the different universities abroad, get your degree and come back. End of the day, it's you who's exploring a lot. Now, I totally understand it's not that easy to take this quick decision, which is why we are here to make your process smooth and make your decision also very smooth. Now, all you have to do is just book a free one-on-one session with me, because I'll be here to help you out and make you understand on what suits you the best based on your requirement. The link is mentioned in the description box. So please wait for no more and book the session right now.